Welcome to English Learning Journey, your home for mastering English and chasing your dreams. Do you have big dreams? Maybe you want to travel the world, land your dream job, study abroad, or connect with people from every corner of the planet. Whatever your dream is, there's one skill that can unlock it all: learning English. Hi, today we're diving into how mastering English can turn your big dreams into reality. Let's get started. Why English matters for your dreams. English isn't just a language, it's a key. It's spoken by over 1.5 billion people worldwide and is the global language of business, science, travel, and the internet. Imagine this. You're sitting in a cafe in Paris, negotiating a deal in New York, or studying at a top university, all because you can confidently speak English. That's the power it holds. But here's the thing. Learning English isn't just about words and grammar. It's about building the confidence, mindset, and skills to chase your biggest dreams. So how do you get there? Let's break it down with 10 powerful steps to make English your bridge to success. 1. Dream big, start small. Every big dream starts with a spark. Ask yourself, why do you want to learn English? Is it to explore new countries? To impress your boss? To make international friends? Write down your dream. Make it specific. Then start small. You don't need to be fluent overnight. Begin with 10 minutes a day. Say hello to your reflection. Name 5 things in your room in English, or watch a short video. Small steps build the foundation for big wins. The key? Consistency. Your dream deserves it. 2. Speak English every day. Yes, even to yourself. Speaking is where the magic happens, but it's also where fear creeps in. Maybe you're worried about mistakes or how you sound. Here's a secret. The more you speak, the less scary it gets. Set aside time every day to practice, even if it's just you and your mirror. Describe your day. I ate breakfast. It was delicious. Or talk to your dog. You're a good boy, aren't you? Record yourself on your phone and listen back. It's like a workout for your voice. Daily reps make you stronger and more confident. 3. Master pronunciation to unlock confidence. Ever hesitated because you weren't sure how to say a word? Pronunciation can feel tricky, but it's a game changer for sounding confident. Here's how to nail it. Listen to native speakers. Watch a movie like The Lion King and repeat lines like Hakuna Matata. Or try the shadowing technique. Play a podcast, pause after a sentence, and mimic the speaker's tone and rhythm. Apps like Elsa Speak or Youglish can help too. The goal? Get comfortable with the sounds of English. It's like learning the melody of a song. Once you've got it, you can sing along. 4. Keep it simple and clear. Here's a trap many learners fall into: trying to sound fancy with big words and complex grammar. But guess what? Simple is powerful. Instead of saying, I am exceedingly delighted to be present, just say, I'm happy to be here. Clear sentences flow better and give you less to trip over. Practice this. Pick a topic, like your favorite food, and explain it in 5 short sentences. I like pizza. It has cheese. It's warm. I eat it on Fridays. It's the best. Simple? Yes. Effective? Absolutely. 5. Slow down. Confidence isn't a race. Raise your hand if you've ever sped through a sentence just to get it over with, only to mess up halfway. Don't worry, I can't see you, but I've been there too. Speaking fast might feel like it hides nerves, but it often makes them worse. Slow down. Pause between thoughts. Say, I want to learn English because it's fun. It gives your brain time to catch up and your listener time to understand. A steady pace screams confidence, and it's easier than you think. 6. Build a vocabulary that fuels your dreams. Words are your tools, and the more you have, the more you can build. If you're dreaming of a job interview, learn words like experience, skills, and team. Want to travel? Master passport, ticket, and adventure. Keep a little notebook, physical or digital, and jot down 5 new words a week. Then use them. Say, I'm excited for my next adventure. Or, my skills are improving. Bonus tip, learn phrases, not just words. Nice to meet you, or can you help me? Slip into conversations like butter. 7. Add life with intonation and tone. Confidence isn't just what you say, it's how you say it. Imagine this. I'm happy in a flat, bored tone. Now try it with energy. I'm happy. Feel the difference? Intonation, raising and lowering your voice, makes you sound engaged and sure of yourself. Stress key words. I love learning English. Practice with songs or movie lines. Watch Toy Story and copy Buzz Lightyear to infinity and beyond. It's fun and it sticks. 8. Use your body to boost your voice. Your body talks too. Slouch and your voice shrinks. Stand tall and it grows. Try this. Next time you practice, stand up, shoulders back, and use your hands. Point to yourself. I can do this. Wave, hi world. Even if you're alone, it tricks your brain into feeling bold. On video calls or in person, eye contact seals the deal. It says, I'm here and I mean it. Your dream deserves that energy, right? 9. Embrace mistakes. They're your teachers. Here's the truth. You will mess up. I've said sheeps instead of sheep, and I'm AI. Native speakers stumble too. The trick? Don't freeze. If you say, I go to the store, just laugh and fix it. I mean, I went. No big apologies, no panic. Mistakes are proof you're trying, and every stumble gets you closer to fluency. Your dream isn't perfection, it's progress. 10. Live in English. Make it your world. To make English your superpower, surround yourself with it. Read a kid's book like Charlotte's Web. Sing along to Taylor Swift. Watch YouTube in English. Cooking tutorials, travel vlogs, whatever you love. Join online forums or language apps like HelloTalk to chat with learners and natives. The more English fills your life, the less foreign it feels. It's like moving to a new city. Explore, settle in, and soon it's home. Your dreams are waiting. Learning English isn't just about passing tests or filling notebooks. It's about opening doors to your biggest dreams. Start small, speak daily, master the basics, and let your confidence grow. Slow down, build your words, and live in English. Mistakes? They're your stepping stones. With every step, you're closer to that job, that trip, that life you've imagined. You've got this, and English is your ticket to ride. Thanks for watching English Learning Journey. If this sparked something in you, hit that like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more tips to fuel your English adventure. Drop a comment. What's your big dream with English? I'd love to hear it. Keep practicing, stay inspired, and I'll see you in the next video. Dream big,